Um, if you could give, really any business owner, early stage or not, small business owner, one piece of advice from a financial perspective, like kind of a most important thing, what would that be?
track track your stuff. Like just even if it's in a spreadsheet, put your expenses and your sales in something just so you can look at it because you don't know if you're even charging the customer enough. You don't know if you have enough money to cover all the supplies and stuff you're buying for that job. Just anywhere, start it. I don't even care if you put it on a piece of paper for me, but just start.
Yeah, that makes a ton of sense for a lot of different reasons. The one most obvious one is that you're not going to remember. We all like to think that we will. The lie we tell ourselves is that I don't need to write this down, I'll remember. But a week, a month, a quarter, a half, a year later, you're not going to remember. And if you ever do need to answer that question, you won't be able to. But you bring up a secondary point that might not be as dramatically important, but long term is probably more important. And that's that by tracking everything, you can look for trends in your data that can influence the choices that you make. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, gosh, I guarantee that you've seen this. Somebody thinks they spend all their money on X, but when you look at the numbers, they might spend money more often there, but they spend more actual money on Y.
Yeah, and a lot of my so when my clients come to me, they're like, I don't think I'm pricing enough. I don't have any cash flow. And so I'll break it down for them. And 9 times out of 10, they're actually charging enough. Like the gross profit's there. They've got it for that project, whatever they're doing, bathrooms, whatever, HVAC. It's there. It's all the stuff underneath that they're spending money on. They had no idea they had it subscriptions for stuff they shouldn't have because it's personal and they have it in the business.
Mm-hmm. No, that's awesome.